Good morning vlog. Wow, you can tell it's morning with my voice right now, and I don't know if you can notice. Oh, great, Gretchen, great start to the day. My battery sign's already going off. Gotta change that. But all my eyelash extensions are gone, and I feel like a fresh little baby. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, I slept on my new sheets last night, and they're so cozy and nice. And you're gonna think I'm really extra, but literally I was reading this this article, I forget where it was, I like found it on Google, about like soulcycle instructors and just stuff that they do and what they recommend and stuff. And obviously it was like coconut water, like certain bars that they like workout clothes, whatever, because they're like always working out. But they were like, sleep is so important, and this sounds dumb, but like really good sheets are important to like sleep really well. And I'm like, you know, I've never had really good sheets. I've always gotten like the cheapest ones because like I don't care. And literally I just threw out the ones that I had before and that I used all summer because they were so pilly. And anyway, but these ones are so nice. I don't know if I would recommend them because they were like insanely expensive, because I just like bought the ones that were on the article, but they're still really nice. And maybe let me know if you want them, but honestly, just if you type in Google like nice white sheet set, you'll find. Okay, my camera just died, but Kerrigan says if you work out twice in one day, does it count for the other day? I think yes, for sure. Why not?
Because I don't have any time today.
Yeah, you'll work out twice tomorrow. You'll be Gucci.
Camera. No, I am like trolling.
Kerrigan's appearances in my vlogs are so funny. One day I'll show you when we're like all ready to go out, and you're gonna be like looking really cute. They're gonna be like, who's that?
Who's that girl? Where's the garden hose?
So guys, I'm about to go to SoulCycle with Maggie, and I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in literally what feels like ages. We miss each other so much when we're not together, so this is gonna be so fun. And I've never been to the Dedham location, but I'm going to Dedham because it's like closer to where her school is. I have a question. Do you guys take like a million Snapchats when you're trying to send one, or do you just do one? Because mine literally will be like this. I'll be like, and I just send that. So I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick and have a chat because it's like the beginning of a new school year, and I was so stressed at the beginning of the school year. I think mostly from like moving into a new apartment and just like thinking about senior year and just like, oh my god, it's so much. And I actually saw one of you comment on one of my most recent vlogs being like, whoa, 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 like senior year of college, Gretchen. Like I just got used to Gretchen like getting over high school and now getting into college. Like, how are you a senior? This is crazy. And like, I so agree. But anyway, I just think it's so important to be like in a routine and like try to have like healthy habits like starting off the year so that you can like keep them and maintain them throughout the year, if that makes sense. So I've been trying to get on a better sleeping schedule. That's something that's like really hard for me because I get so distracted and I like will get sucked into the YouTube void. Like last night I'll watch like a million videos and I'm like, how is it 3 a.m? But I really think making a conscious effort to like have like a healthy sleep schedule and just like make sure you're getting enough, like at least like 7-8 hours, and like being consistent, I think is like the most helpful. And I was watching Maggie's vlog really late at night, which is funny, saying that like she's getting in a healthier, like earlier sleep schedule, and she goes to bed at like 9 or 10 and gets up at like 7. And I'm trying to do that. I'm trying. So everybody try with me, because I know it'll be better for all this in the long run. But yeah, along with that, I know I've showed you guys the vitamins that I've been taking for a while now before. They're just the Care of vitamins, and they come in this little thing. I just have them up on my bookshelf right there next to my bag, so I can just like yank one out every morning. And so I thought we could take them together this morning. And remember when I showed you before, they have really cute quotes on them. This one says, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Milton Berle. I love that quote. I literally love that. I'm about to start saying that to people. Okay, no, I'm not. But I just think that's really cute. And I thought I could show you the little thing that comes with it, so I could go through like the ones I'm taking just in case you're curious. I don't know if you guys are like really into vitamins, but I know I talked about before, I literally would go to like Whole Foods with Lucy and I would just like look at all of them and be like, oh my god, like I don't know which ones I'm supposed to be taking. Like, do you guys feel like, I literally would feel like anxiety over like being like, I want to take the best vitamins for me, but I don't know what that is, and like, am I taking too much or too little? Like I'm taking vitamin C like sometimes here and there because I like get sick all the time, but like what's like good for me? So I remember I told you I took like the Care of quiz to get like my vitamins, and I was doing that for a while, but I actually retook the quiz, which I like suggest you do if you think that stuff has like changed. So what I mean by that is like I started taking more vitamins, so I'll just show you the ones I'm taking. So basically it's a bunch of the ones that I was taking before, but just some things added based on like answers that I said. Like I think I said, wait, I'll be back to me. I think I added that I wanted like sleep support. I don't think I mentioned that before, but like this summer I've noticed that it's been like harder for me to like fall asleep and whatever, so I mentioned that. I definitely mentioned, since I chopped off like so much of my hair and I was so stressed about it, I mentioned that I wanted stuff that was like healthy for my hair. So I know I added like B vitamins because that's good for your hair. It's like biotin and stuff. It's like the B complex. I wanted like glowing skin, and actually some of you have been noticing in my vlogs, they're like, wow, you're like glowing, like your skin's glowing. So I think a part of that is like just being really consistent with these vitamins. So anyway, I have the probiotic blend, which I had before, which I actually noticed such a difference like the first time around taking the mix of vitamins that I had before, because it's just really good for your stomach, and I have had like literally zero digestion issues. And I also believe I added calcium this time because I mentioned that, like, you know, bones is something that I'm like a little bit worried about, just because I was in my weight rowing for so long. Ooh, and they told me, this might be like way TMI, but I lost my menstrual cycle for 3 years, so my nutritionist at BU was like really worried about osteoporosis and just like bone density and health and stuff, and that is something that's just like an issue for girls in general, so that's good that I'm taking that now. And astaxanthin, I don't know how to say that one, but that one I was taking before, and that one's just like good overall. And then the other one that is too, oh, is this one, rhodiola, I don't know how to say that, but those ones I believe I was taking before, and they're just like good little things for you to be taking. And then iron, I actually found out last summer that I was like a little bit deficient in iron, like a little anemic, so this is good for me to be taking as well. I think this was added this time as well, so I'm happy that I'm like doing that again. Magnesium Lucy actually takes every day, so I'm happy I'm taking that too, because she says it's just like really good for you. And then this is gonna make my hair grow and be healthy. And actually, I mean, it might just be because I like just cut it too, and I feel like after you cut it your hair grows, but like since I've cut it, it's definitely grown. Like it's like probably pat like boob length now, like at the bottom of my boob, and before I feel like it was like up here, so I feel like it's probably grown maybe like an inch since I've cut it anyway. But anyway, I just wanted to have a quick nerdy talk with you about the vitamins I've been taking. Oh wait, we gotta take them together this morning before I forget. And I literally have to run out the door to SoulCycle because I'm late for everything. But here, let's get after it. I will have Cara linked down below so you guys can try it out if you're interested. I'm like turning all my friends into it. They're like, I want those vitamins, and literally some of my friends were like trying to take mine. I'm like, no, don't take mine, like do your quiz to get your own. And they're like, we want to try them. They're like, wait, Nat literally I think took one, and she was like, oh my god, I'm gonna turn into Gretchen. Why am I struggling right now? Why can't I get this open? Hang on. Okay, the little pack was just being funky, sorry. But here's all my vitamins. And I just take like a handful at a time. Woo! Wait, this is so funny because last night I was also staying up really late watching Keaton's vlog of, I don't know if you guys watch Keaton, and she got tonsillitis during her sorority recruitment week, which is so sad. And she was talking about how the medicine she was taking, like it would dissolve on her tongue for a second and you could taste it, and that just happened with one of these pills because it was like sitting in my mouth. So that's funny. Does that happen to you guys? I kind of, this is weird, when I take vitamin C I kind of like it because it's like sour, so it's like whoa. It's so weird. Okay, so if you see me thriving and just like glowing in the next couple of weeks, now you know why. I'm so all over the place, I'm so scatterbrained. And actually that leads me into what I was gonna say, what I forgot to say, is that Cara actually has an app too, so it can send you daily reminders to take your vitamins, because I'm like all over the place always and I have a million things going on that I forget. So definitely recommend that if you like forget, or like set a reminder in your phone, something like that. And I know if you use the code Gretchen, you can get 25% off of your first month. So again, it will be linked down below. And I'm probably late to Soul, so let's roll. That was so good. Hi! haven't gone to James Allen forever, and I think I was forgetting that he was my favorite instructor.
Don't you feel like
but he is.
strong?
Yeah.
And you just feel like ready to like get after it. I'm so glad we went because not gonna lie, earlier today I was so like tired. I woke up and like since my class got canceled and I like got back to my apartment, I was like, I'm gonna go back to bed. Like maybe I'll just like whatever. And then we came and I like got everything done this morning and I feel good.
Oh, that was so
good. And when he was doing the part where he's like, the person next to you is like what did he say? He was like the person next to you
push for them or
is like good for you and like your success pushes them. I was like, that's us.
I had tears in my eyes when he was talking about when he was 300 pounds. Whenever he talked about that, I almost cried.
And he was like on the treadmill. I was thinking of all the people who ever talked about me and told me I was always gonna be fat. They were in front of me on the treadmill. I was like, I got chills. I was like, that's awesome.
I think one class I really cried when he was talking about what it means to like be an athlete and work hard, and he was like, when I was 300 pounds and I was on the treadmill, I just wouldn't stop, and I'd get tired and I would like want to stop, and I just kept going, like keep
and now
going.
He's like the fittest person I've ever seen.
I know, he's like jacked.
And Kaylee and I were talking about that today. Like, I don't know, I feel like when you like embrace how you are as a person, that's just so like,
and you don't try to like look like someone else
or be someone else.
Like, you just do it works for you.
You just do what works for you. Because like her and I are so different. Like she's like naturally so skinny and I'm like muscular and built. And it's just like if you embrace how you are, that's just like you're gonna be so happy.
Everybody's beautiful in their own skin. And I love this studio, guys. This is my first time in Dedham, and it's just so like it's more chill vibes here, which I like. Because all the ones in Boston are like this big because they're squished into Boston and like so crowded, and you like are walking into class, you're like, oops, sorry, oops, and it's so crowded.
It's like there's so many people.
And this is like, you can like breathe. Look at how cute it is.
And those ceilings are high too. Look how high.
I think I like that too. It makes it feel more spacious. And what's weird is me and Maggie were just talking about how we like want to be on a schedule, and I was telling you guys that earlier, and I showed them my parents' vitamins.
Oh my god, I did too, and I love them. Like they make me feel so good. I take 6.
I take honestly like 8 maybe or 9. I don't know. I take so many. But I started taking calcium, iron, calcium and iron, and one other one too.
Just feel better.
And I love them.
I love them too.
Maggie loves them, so you know you need them.
I feel like they like tell you what you need. Like you say what you want and then they give them to you.
Yeah, that's
like
so
since I started taking them, like I felt stronger in like when I work out.
Yeah.
It's like crazy.
And I feel like calcium and iron I like need.
And all your body, like you know if you need them. Because Kaylee told me that like if you take a bunch of vitamins and then your pee is like bright yellow or a different color, that means your body's like just peeing out what you don't need. And like mine is normal, so like I know that my body's like
so
really using them.
Wait, that's so true. And Lucy used to have the worst migraines, and she would take like a million vitamins and her pee would be like orange. She would drink like 4 liters of water. Yeah. I've been drinking 3 of those every day, so I think I might drink 4.5. I almost got a new one and then they were sold out like everywhere. You don't need a new one. And I like didn't realize that Maggie had it because I left it in her car. But I swear, I've been drinking 3 of these every day and I still feel thirsty all the time. Like something's wrong with me.
Oh my god, Anna has a squeezy.
No, it was, I took a Fiji water bottle pop and put it on top of this. And I wanted a 40-ounce Hydro Flask. They're all like sold out on Amazon, I swear.
Really?
I think
it's like back to school, you know?
There's a vein popping out of my neck. Am I okay? Me too. I feel so happy now. I'm in the best mood. I know, he's so good. Guys, we're shopping and we're finding the best stuff. I swear, I came to Urban recently, I found nothing, but when I'm with you, I'm inspired. And I find all sorts of things. If they have it, I'll freak out. Because the one I have is like that color, the champion tan one, but the black one is literally sold out or back ordered like everywhere. But I'm finding really cute stuff. I'm so happy. I swear recently Lucy and me were like, Urban has nothing, but
it honestly depends.
This one has a bunch of stuff. I think so too, because the
Toronto one had nothing.
Yeah.
And the one that
in Boston on Newberry
and Burlington with Tyler has nothing. But you know which one has a lot?
Dedham?
The one in Fayetteville.
Oh,
they have
really?
a ton, yeah.
And yeah, this is the Dedham one. I'm coming to Dedham all the time now. This place is cool. Yum. Oh yeah. This tortellini was so good. I want everything. I have no idea what I want because I'm so hungry. Ooh, yum. Okay, so we got these salads at Whole Foods, and I think I'm getting better at building mine because I used to be really bad and get the randomest stuff, but I got like salad with berries, hummus, a little pita, I already ate some though, and these little potatoes are so good today, and then this tabbouleh and broccoli, and I think there's other more like chickpeas and stuff on the bottom. Yeah.
Good
You
choice.
got yummy stuff too. Yeah. This hummus from Whole Foods
So good
is so good.
It's kind of lemony. I like it.
It is. It is lemony. And you put hummus and tabbouleh on pita. Okay guys, life is all about balance. Because I ate my salad and I got the vegan peanut butter cookie. And I'm eating half. I'll eat the other half later. And it's, well, it's like really, really big, but it's so good. I love peanut butter, you know? I used to eat it for like 3 meals a day. I should get back into that.
I love peanut butter too.
What to say?
Okay. Oh my god, I'm in the vlog. So shout out to Madison and Emma Flynn. Ah!
You're funny.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
And I'm obsessed with you guys. I like want to be friends with you.
We're all
Yeah,
friends.
should I
We're
tell you?
BFFs now.
Oh my god, should I?
It's so fun.
It's so fun.
Okay, so the last time I saw you, I was at Whole Foods with Maggie, and we met the cutest little subscriber. You were so sweet and just so excited to meet us, which is like the best feeling ever. And now I have my first chapter that I've been to in like a year, because in the spring I couldn't go to chapter because I had a class on Monday nights, which is when like our chapter is for Alfie or BU. So yeah, let's get it. But before that, I guess I'll just share with you quickly. Karen and Lucy just had to come and talk to me. I was just sitting in here and I started crying and freaking out for no reason. That's like literally one of the first times that's happened to me. And I'm like, why am I so freaked out? And Maggie and I were talking a lot about this, and I know she's talked about it in her video. She gets like pretty anxious about stuff, especially like when we travel. And I felt that like a couple times recently. I just feel like I get like that when there's a lot of change, and obviously like right now it's a big change, and that's why I was talking about like a couple times in this vlog how important I think it is to be in like a good schedule. And I'm someone that, even though I don't like being very busy on like a strict schedule, because I'm like, oh, I just want to like chill and relax, like it's something that I really need, or else I like panic and freak out and I'm like, what am I supposed to be doing right now? Like I feel like I'm not supposed to be doing what I should be doing, or I don't know if that makes any sense. But I just started sitting here and I was freaking out because we're like in a new apartment, it's a new year, a bunch of my friends have graduated, like it's all new people at BU that I don't even like recognize. It's like new classes with new peers and new professors, and just everything is different, and it's not summer, I'm not with Louisa 24/7, and like I was just freaking out. So but anyway, it's okay. I literally was like, I need to chill out. Like everything's fine. Do you freak out for no reason either? I'm like, can I like please chill really quick? But anyway, this is making no sense right now. Lucy's gonna drop me off at chapter because I'm in a weird mood. I'm in a haze. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys there, but maybe I'll just come back and tell you how it goes after. I think I was sort of freaking out too, just because I haven't been to chapter in a year, and that's like a big difference. Even though, and I'm like texting Lisa like crying, and I'm like, I'm so in my head, and she's like, yeah, you are, like we're all your sisters, like they're like all my friends, but I'm like scared to be in a big room with everyone. I don't know why. I think just because I haven't gone in so long, and like yeah, I changed, man. I've never been a fan and never been good at dealing with it. Okay, so it's the next day. I never ended off my vlog, but I'm gonna try to be better at doing that because I know you guys like it better when I end off my vlogs. And I don't know why I was freaking out. I was in such a weird mood. Like I was like scared to go to chapter. Like no, those are like my best friends, so it was totally fine. And just don't get in your head in life and over worry about things, because that usually doesn't happen to me, but it was really weird that that happened. But anyway, thanks so much for watching today's vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow.